So you've probably seen these talking object videos somewhere online. They're going super viral right now. And the crazy part, some people are making thousands of dollars just by creating these types of videos, because these videos are going viral worldwide, which means you can target a global audience. And if even one video goes viral, you can make serious money. Now, here's the best part. You don't need to show your face or record your own voice. Everything is done with the help of AI. You can create these types of videos in just 3 simple steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make these videos. So let's start with step number 1, which is the most important step, is to create the script and the image generation prompt. For this step, I've already done 90% of the work for you because I created a custom GPT, which you'll find in the description. Just open the GPT and type anything you want to turn into a talking object. For example, a mobile phone, a lamp, a fruit, anything. For now, I'm going to create a video about a phone, but if you want to create something else, just type it in. The GPT will work the same way. It depends on what you imagine and what you want to create. As you can see, the GPT gives us the image generation prompts and the dialogue script. The first prompt is for the main object image, and the remaining prompts and script are for the object's character, like chargers, headphones, and accessories, and that's it. Now we need to generate images from these prompts. For this, we're going to use Nano Banana Pro. Simply open Gemini, paste the image prompt from GPT. Select the Pro model, then under Tools, choose Create Image and click Generate. After a few seconds, the AI will generate an image like this, and honestly, it's perfect. Now repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, paste it into Gemini, generate the image. Do this step by step until all images are ready. Once you've done this, move on to the next step, and that is turn images into talking videos. Now comes the final and most interesting part, turning these images into talking videos. For that, we're going to use Google Flow. Once you're on the website, create a new project, select Frame to Video, click the upload icon, and upload the images you generated. After that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the dialogue script, and paste it here. In front of the prompt, you can also describe how the object should speak. For example, make the character talk aggressively. After a few minutes, your video will be ready.
I wake up every day at 1% sanity, carrying your memories, your secrets, your deadlines, and you still slam me face down like I'm disposable metal.
Now repeat this process for every video. Upload the image, paste the dialogue, generate the video.
I keep you alive every night, and you still bend me until I crack. Don't act shocked when I finally stop working.
Once everything is done, the last step is editing. You can use any editing software, but for this video, I'm using CapCut. Now open CapCut and import all the videos you've created. After that, zoom in slightly so the Google Flow logo is not visible. Adjust the video size properly. Next, go to Animations and add a fade-in animation at the start of the video. Then, in the middle of each clip, add a black fade transition. Repeat this process for all your images and videos, and that's it. Your video is now ready. You can see the final result on the screen.
I wake up every day at 1% sanity, carrying your memories, your secrets, your deadlines, and you still slam me face down like I'm disposable metal.
I keep you alive every night, and you still bend me until I crack. Don't act shocked when I finally stop working.
I absorb your noise, your anger, your escape, and you toss me aside in silence. I never get quiet inside.
That's it for today, guys. If you want to know how you can copy iShowSpeed's channel the right way, click on this video.